Thank you, Suhani, for explaining the cultural life of Rajasthan. So now I'm going to explain about the economy of Rajasthan. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the economy of developing countries and provide the main source of food, income, and employment to their rural populations. As you all know, how our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said that agriculture is the backbone of every nation, so it's important to grow cash crops or the crops which gives benefits in the particular period of time. So in Rajasthan, despite scant and scattered rainfall, nearly all types of crops are grown, including pearl millet in the desert area, sorghum around Kota, and mainly corn around Udaipur. So these are not only meant for this areas, they may be uh, um, irrigating millets in other areas also. This is the main areas where the millets grow, or sorghum or corn grow. So wheat and barley are fairly well distributed, as are pulses, sugarcane and oilseeds. Rice is grown in the irrigated areas of both the southeast and northwest. Cotton and tobacco are important cash crops. So cash crops are those which are more economical. Like if you grow more cash crops, you will be getting the state to higher levels. That's the main thing of the cash crops. So Rajasthan needs extensive irrigation to be agriculturally productive. They can't depend upon millets alone or wheat alone. So they need many crops to be grown, and they need water for all the crops to be grown. So they will be receiving water from the rivers of Punjab, from the Western Yamuna Canal in Haryana and Agra Canal in Uttar Pradesh, and also from the Sabarmati and Narmada Sagar projects in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. So Rajasthan shares the Bakra Nangal project with Punjab and Haryana, and the Chambal Valley project with Madhya Pradesh. Both are used to supply water for irrigation and for drinking purposes. So, a desert land in northwestern and western Rajasthan is irrigated by the Indira Gandhi Canal, which carries water for some 400 miles, which is greatly huge, from the Beas and Sutlej rivers in Punjab. So as you see that agriculture is an important factor for the economy of the state, and after agriculture they must be doing manufacturing also. So textiles plays an important role in the economy of every any state. So textiles, vegetable oils, wools, minerals, cement and chemicals are among the major manufacturers of Rajasthan. However, handicrafts such as leather goods, marble work, jewelry, pottery, etc. can also earn a lot of money for them. For the so they'll be utilizing these products for inside the state as well as the foreign exports. They may be exchanging wool and getting some products like tea, which they are not cultivating. So Kota, which is the industrial capital of the state, as an island factory and a precision instruments factory as well as plants for the manufacture of calcium carbide, caustic soda, and iron tire. Okay. There is a zinc smelter plant near Udaipur also. So services. Next comes the services. Um, Services in the sense, the peoples who are visiting the state, uh, getting money from those people. How will they earn money from the people visiting the state? So tourism plays an important role in the services. They visit the cultural areas of the state or natural areas of the state. Next is the Rajasthan is a mineral-rich state and has diversified economy, having agriculture, mining, and tourism as the main engines of growth. The state mines produce gold, silver, sandstone, limestone, marble, etc., which are hugely high in cost. So it is the second largest producer of cement and contributes 1/10 of salt produced in India. So 1/10 of the salt comes from the Rajasthan only. Then if you cultivate the crops by using agriculture, and if you're manufacturing things, then it must be exported to other states or countries. So industries plays an important role in the economy of the state. Rajasthan is 12th leading investment destination in India after Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. Because of its environment, law and order situation, infrastructure, investment climate, and favorable population density. So, Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation provides facilities for development. Rajasthan is now the preferred destination for IT companies, and North India's largest integrated IT park is located in Jaipur and is named as Mahendra World City Jaipur, covering nearly 3,000 acres of land. So, IT industry plays an important role in the state economy. So, if they like in Bangalore, the Bangalore is called as the IT capital of the country. Next is so that the economy of this state Karnataka is growing. Similarly, if the IT industries are more in a particular state, the automatically the economy of the state will grow more. So some of the companies operating in Rajasthan include Infosys, which are famous, Genpact, Wipro, Gillette, Honda, Sil, Coca-Cola as well, car. Okay, so this represents the economy of the state, which influences agriculture, manufacturing, services, and industries. So that's the economy of the Rajasthan. Next, my friend Bharat Raj will be explaining about the environment factors that affect the Rajasthan state. Thank you.